Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a Lincoln MKX guys. And if you have problems with your all-wheel drive not working or you have warning lights guys, there is one fuse that controls your all-wheel drive system guys. So make sure you stay with us, we will explain all that today. In addition guys, quick introduction, we have more than 200 videos on this car and every car we get at the shop because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment below and let us know if you have any questions, and let's start on it now. So we have a 2009 Lincoln MKX and the all-wheel drive guys. This is the all-wheel drive version. So we'll show you now, okay, where the fuse is for that. Your transfer case is actually underneath towards the transmission side, okay. And you need to open the car guys, okay, open the car, and here now, okay, if you guys need any fuses, okay, we'll have the link to that fuse box in the description of the video below. Very cheap fuse box with so many fuses, really good deal guys. Okay, and usually you will have your park brake pedal like that, so you need to press it all the way down, okay, like that. Now right here we need to slide that thing sideways, okay, like that. Grab it now, pull it out. Now the fuse guys that we're looking at for the all-wheel drive, okay, let me explain to you now. We have guys, okay, so many fuses and relays here, and starting from top to bottom on the left side guys, okay, right here, we need to guys find fuse number 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 guys, okay. It's this fuse right here, that's for the all-wheel drive. If you need to replace it guys, how you do, grab it with a fuse puller, okay, I almost had it, and pull it out. This thing, okay, if some of them haven't been removed for a while, they will be stuck guys. And I'll just go ahead, install a new fuse now. Okay, let me grab one. Okay, and if that still doesn't fix your problem guys, we have a video that explains how to diagnose your all-wheel drive system and all that stuff. Very helpful video. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful. Please guys, hit that subscribe. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.